Well, here it is. Motorcycle. gopowersports.com. It took about a week and a half, I guess. Came up from Texas, up through Salt Lake City, up here to the Great Pacific Northwest. That's what I meant to say. The fuck? Let's wheel this little baby down into the outdoor shop. That looks like the front tube. That's the seat. I gotta say, some of the boxing's pretty rough. It's probably not what they intended. Damn, that's beefy. These are the shocks. Alright. I mean, you know, I guess it didn't have too rough of a journey. Maybe the idea is that it's rough packaging, it's a rough bike. This is nice. Nice welds. Yeah, I think this will do. I got mosquitoes out here. Fuck. I like that already. Excellent craftsmanship. Plenty of staples. Very nice. Okay, these shocks look skookum as fuck. And I spent like 89 bucks on these extra. This was like the bonus splurge. Damn mosquitoes. I gotta run away. Gonna give this a go instead of DEET. Take a look at this. World's biggest batteries.com. World's longest fart.com. Alright, this is the parts box. The only upholstery you're going to find is bubble wrap, my friend. It's gonna take it slow. No need to rush. Look at this.
Yeah, baby.
No need to rush. Go real slow. These fucking mosquitoes. Wonder if that shit's flammable. Does it even say? Is it flammable? Fuck. So far, so good. What do I got to complain about? This is fucking brilliant. Look at what's going on here. Gas tank mounts, if I should choose to use them for that. Like a butterfly emerging from the chrysalis from Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. Here you go. Oh, this fucking thing. This stuff better work. It stings my eyes. Very nice color of this metal. What's in here? The chain. Looks pretty well greased up. Toys. Yeah, so I opted for the chain guard. gopowersports.com. Take two. gopowersports.com. Do you like to go? Do you like power? Do you like the internet? Ta-da! Looks like a choo-choo train. Thought you could do that. These are them grips. Nice flat plate. Got two of these. It's a 420 54T 40 millimeter. Well, yeah, I haven't even gotten into the little bobbledy bits here.
This is my future for a little while.
Oh, it's a UAP. Oh, there you go, guys. It's the Rascal by Go Power Sports roller kit. I gotta throw an engine in it. Guys, look, I gotta put an engine in this. I'm gonna use this. This is a 196 Chinese Hangshao Honda copy. It runs pretty good. We gave it a valve job. She'll sit there, no problem. Just trying to visualize this.